All right, this first one's going to be The Convenience Store, short horror film. First one of these we're going to be doing. Julian David.
I don't like it. I don't like you there all alone.
Yeah, I know, Mom, but I need the money. We need it. Look, you don't have to worry, it's dead here.
It's not right. It's not safe.
There's security cameras everywhere.
I don't trust technology, none of it. Besides, it's the things you can't see that worry me.
Look, Mom, it's late. I need to study. Go to bed, please.
How much could they pay?
Mom?
Oh, that actually looks sick. That looks fun. Well, not fun. That's not the right word. Easy. Just be on your phone half the time. It's the same fucking pic. 6 screens for this? Wait a minute, that doesn't make any fucking sense. Why the hell do we have 6 cameras? No. 6 screens, 2 cameras, and we're cycling between the 2 pictures. What kind of fucking security system is that? It's just made to fool stupid people like me to think you guys are on top of your shit. She's gonna die. We know that, right? She's dying. If you take a job like this, isn't your fault. Stupid, bro. That's gonna piss me off this whole video.
Is that you, Tommy?
Hey, Kira. You know, you really shouldn't be here on your own.
One more person tells me that I need to leave, I swear.
Has he been there that much? You seem new to this.
Look, I'll take you straight home. Promise.
Wait.
Come on.
I was talking.
Straight home.
Wait.
Look, I'll take you straight home. Promise. Come on, what are your parents gonna think if you turn down a doctor anyway?
Depends on the doctor. You're all good to go.
Alright, well, you promise to call me if the bus doesn't show?
It'll show. But thanks, Tommy.
What a weirdo. That was a weird approach. A little bold. Just rip that shit. He was like, I'm done thinking about it. Oh my god, yeah, that would kind of suck. I take it back, right? That would, no. Nope, wouldn't want to do it. Couldn't pay me enough. That'd have to be like 30 an hour for me to be like, this is fine. This is a jam. Okay, working there is probably not that bad. I'm back and forth on it. Oh, purse is getting up. Here we go. What is wrong with her? That was fucking weird. Yeah, she's gonna die. I think that's what that is.
Hello?
If that ever happens to you. I'm not spading. Oh, I need that as like a ringtone. Shit's fire. I wouldn't. Nah, I'd call the doctor immediately. Turn around, buddy. I'm ready to go.
Hey, Tommy, it's Kira here.
One run.
Kira?
This place is really starting to freak me out. The doorbell keeps going nuts.
Good move.
I need to get out of
There we
here.
go.
I wasn't expecting to hear a call from you so soon.
What the hell?
Oh, it is the doctor.
Hold on, something's
Oh shit!
Wrong.
Nice move. That's what I would have done.
What is it? Coming over right now.
Oh good. He's on the way. Unless he's a killer. That card looked kind of fake. That looked like a EMS or an RN. Oh no. I'd be dipping. Thank you. Hey. I don't know what her name is, but lady. Alright, what do you do there? Because if you go grab it, it's just gonna rip it out of your hand again. I think she'll leave though. Hold for 9, I'd lose it. What state is this? Middle of butt-fuck nowhere? Oh my god. Yes, I was... okay. I was gonna say, I need to see the room. What do we got? What do we have? That printing calculator's not gonna help us. Heavy as shit, maybe. Big. Is the dock and the G-Wags? It's not really good out there.
Tommy!
Big T. You left your phone? Big T? You came in and left your phone?
Hello?
Don't come in!
Too late. Well,
Shit!
maybe the type of doctor to like leave some tools inside you after surgery. What is she afraid of? We don't know what it is.
What the fuck?
Cameras, you know he's inside already. Why are you calling? Oh no. Oh no. Oh god, no. That's terrifying. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. You just give up at this point. Why would we
Kira?
fight this?
Come out here.
Tommy?
No. No, thanks.
Come out here.
Tommy, I'm coming out.
It doesn't matter at this point. You're dead. It doesn't fucking matter. But I don't think that
Tommy?
you saw him there, and then he wasn't. And the creature.
What the hell?
Oh, it cleaned. Oh, it's just trying to help you. I mean, maybe he was like a rapist or something. You know, get rid of that guy. Oh, it was a good ghost. Here's a. Oh, and you get a whip? Hell yeah. Insured for sure? Hell yeah. And his phone's in there. You got another phone. He's not gonna come.
Tommy!
Oh my god, she doesn't even know. Oh my god, she can't see it. God, this is like freaky. I'm glad I have the lights on. I would be fucking right now. Oh my god. Fuck. That was actually really fucking scary. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. I was gonna save them all till. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay, next one.